Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a domain on IONOS to Squarespace. Now the first thing I want you to do is log in to both your Squarespace account and your IONOS account. Okay, and then what I want you to do is right here under Squarespace, I want you to go ahead and click on these three dots, okay, next to any of the sites you want to connect. So I'll click here on these three dots, and then I want you to click on settings. And what we'll do, we'll go ahead and connect this domain right here to this Squarespace site. Now, once this loads up, I want you to go ahead and from this left-hand panel, click on domains and email. Okay, click on domains and then click on use a domain I own. Then you need to just enter the full domain name that you're connecting into the enter domain field, and then you click on this arrow. So here's our domain. I'll just go ahead and copy this, and then I'll paste it right here. Click on that arrow, and now it will do a search. As you can see, it was registered with IONOS, and now we can click here on connect domain to Squarespace. Now, what you need to do, make sure this one is selected as IONOS, that's the correct provider, and then click on connect domain. What will happen, it will basically prompt you to go ahead and connect. Okay, the connection is in progress. You can click on continue, and if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in to IONOS so it can connect. As you can see right here, the connection is in progress, and it may take up to 48 hours to finish the connection process. And you can begin to also transfer your domain to Squarespace as well. We can click here, but for now, you just have to wait. And that is how to connect a domain on IONOS to Squarespace.